In a breaking update, the Delhi High Court has now condemned the inappropriate dance performances that was apparently held at the Holi Milan function that was organized by the New Delhi Bar Association on last Monday, which is the 6th of March in Delhi's Patiala House Court complex. Now, in a full court decision on Friday, the High Court has objected to the function, saying that it was not in the line with the high moral and ethical standards of the legal profession. But the High Court has said it is of the effect of tarnishing the image of the judicial institution. Going across to Akansha, joining us at this point. Good morning, Akansha. Tell us more about this program. Who exactly organized it? Where exactly was it held? And why is it now being deemed as inappropriate?
Well, absolutely. Behind me is the Patiala House Court, where on March 6th, a holy function was organized by the New Delhi Bar Association, where some dancers were seen performing item number. Now, a lot of videos are circulating on social media and also on WhatsApp, and this has attracted widespread criticism, not only from the Delhi High Court, but also from the legal fraternity. As you rightly mentioned, the Delhi High Court has condemned it. It has taken cognizance of the videos which are circulating on social media, going on to direct the principal session and the district judge here.
To interrupt you there, Akansha, I'm told that Harish is also with us right now. Good morning, Harish. More details of this program and the objections now being raised by the court.
Yes, in fact, all this has been triggered by a letter written by around more than 100 lawyers from the Patiala House Court, and also very significantly Delhi High Court has taken cognizance of it and has condemned what they call the inappropriate dance performances held during the Holi Milan function organized by the New Delhi Bar Association on March 6. The function, you remember, was organized in the Patiala House Court complex, wherein some dancers were allegedly seen performing item numbers, and the entire complaint is that there were bar dancers inside a court complex. So, in fact, the High Court yesterday objected to the functioning, objected to the entire function and stated it was not in line with the high moral and ethical standards of the legal profession. It has the effect of tarnishing the image of the judicial institution. And you remember earlier, several lawyers wrote to the NDBA, that is the New Delhi Bar Association, and objected to the function. They claimed it was inappropriate, sexist, and totally unbecoming of the of a bar association. The High Court asked, very significantly, the High Court has asked the principal district and sessions judge, New Delhi District, Patiala, also issue a show cause notice to the bar association within 3 days and to take appropriate action and send a report to it after taking into account the response of the NDBA. So very, very serious implications.
Something that appropriate level permissions would have also been taken as to organize this program, because and how many people were actually present? Was it done by the New Delhi Bar Association itself, and to organize such kind of an inappropriate program in the premises in the complex of the Patiala House Court? Who was behind it actually?
Yes, in fact, we also spoke to Jagdeep Watts, who has said that he himself has issued notice to the he has in fact put the blame on the event managers, and said that he was not aware of that bar dancers will be coming inside the court complex. And very significant, the fact is that in his defense, he has said that he has issued notice. In fact, sort of explanation from the event management, the company, the firm which have been entrusted with the task of this organizing this program, and how come bar dancers have come in. And he has even given a explanation saying that there was earlier even several functions organized, several things organized by like Ganesh Vandana and several and Bhangra dance while the judges, several judges were present in the function. So,
right.
As of now, he has said that very significantly. He has said that even he was unaware of the fact that bar dancers will be brought inside the court complex.
All right. Let me go back to Akansha, because she's standing right outside the Patiala House Court complex. There, just stay on with us. Akansha, Swapnil Kothari with us on the phone line. Good morning, Swapnil. This is in poor taste. I mean, the videos, the dance videos that have been celebrated on the Holi celebrations, and 2 days later is the International Women's Day. There have been certain objections being raised as to why such kind of an event being held in a court complex.
Well, it is extremely shocking. I don't even know who signed up for this. I don't even know who watched those dances in the first place. And that too in a court complex. This is not some, sleazy bar. This is a court complex which needs a certain amount of reputation, which merits respect, and which has to continue to repose trust or be the repository of trust of several millions of people across this country in the judiciary. And I believe this has to be taken at a very, very serious level. The Bar Association, the disciplinary committee especially, and even the judiciary needs to look at it very, very seriously. Maybe take it up suo motu. The Delhi High Court needs to take it up suo motu and take a look at it as to what is going on, because all of these things come under the supervisory jurisdiction of the Delhi High Court. So they will have to look at it in a very, very serious manner and take extremely severe steps to ensure that none of this is repeated. Maybe even snatch a few licenses from the people who are involved in this and who possibly sanctioned this, because without sanction of the lawyers or the legal committee, none of this takes place. I mean, I can understand you celebrate Holi. That is fine. It can still be tolerated. I can still, possibly in a larger way, I can still allow it, although I would not like it. But to call dancers is...
of course, no objection is being raised on the dancers as well, because it is their profession, but exactly it does not suit the kind of, it seems to be in a bad taste, exactly why such kind of a program and event that was being held, and that too in a court complex. Swapnil, thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast, but there has been a letter that has been endorsed by over 100 lawyers that has been now forwarded to the office bearers of the New Delhi Bar Association. They have been expressing their shock at the dance program, and the signatories also pointing out from the video of the event that features those women bar dancers performing inappropriate dance numbers that is getting circulated on social media. Listen into their reaction as well.
Yes, I think it's very shocking that the legal community, what I'm concerned about is that the legal community should have organized it inside the court premises. And whatever may be their personal likes and dislikes, they're welcome to do what they want to do in their own homes. But court premises are public premises, and they're supposed to respect the mandate of the Constitution, equality before law and equal protection of laws. And something like this objectifies women, demeans them, and it hurts all of us.
Ma'am, the signatories, I think more than 100 lawyers have written to the Bar Council of India and also the Chief Justice, I presume. The signatories have charged organizers for committing sexual harassment of a non-verbal nature. How do you explain it, ma'am?
It is sexual harassment because they're exposing the entire legal community, which is multi-gendered, to this kind of display of dance inside the court premises. Court premises are meant for legal work, performing legal services.
Well, the Delhi lawyers' representation to the New Delhi Bar Association and the Bar Council of Delhi are also seeking an inquiry and statement regarding these inappropriate Holi Milan festivities that were held at the complex of the Patiala House Court. Thank you very much, Akansha and Harish, for joining in. We'll follow up on that story with more reactions on the other side of a short break. Keep watching Times Now.